Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be going over how you can record your Windows 10 desktop. Before I begin, if you are new to this channel, I do a lot of technology tutorials and sometimes reviews. If you like this video towards the end, definitely give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So what I use to record my desktop and myself is a program called OBS. It's Open Broadcaster Software. So here's the website, obsproject.com/download. I will put it in the description for easier access. So once you go to this website, you'll be presented with three options right here: the Windows download, the Mac OS download, and the Linux download. What we're focusing on today is the Windows 10 download, which will be the first one right here. If you can run that executable for me, that'd be great. Just run it, install it, and add the shortcut to your desktop, which is OBS Studio. Once it's finished, just double click on the OBS Studio shortcut, and then you'll be presented to something like this, not quite like the same thing as my screen because I have my settings configured. Your display or screen will have, it'll be black. So to configure your desktop to be recorded, you're just going to come over here to Sources. You're going to click on the Addition button right here, and you're going to click on the Display Capture option right here. From here, it's going to ask you to create a new display capture. I already have one called Desktop. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it Desktop, you can name it Display, or whatever. So once you do that, just hit OK. But once you hit OK, it's going to look like something like this. It's going to look like properties for display or properties for desktop, whatever you named it. So you're going to see this window when you hit OK. After this window pops up, you can hit OK. And now you'll have like this mirrored image of OBS Studio, kind of like my screen. So to record your desktop, you're just going to hit Start Recording. I'm recording right now. To start recording, you can minimize this program, and anything that you do or manipulate on your desktop or the internet will be recorded through OBS. So that's pretty simple. Like I said, I use this for all my videos. Now, if you want to add a camera, like if your laptop has a built-in camera or an external camera like myself, you would just hit the Addition button, and you would find your video capture device right here. Click on that, and you can name it whatever you want: video capture device, camera. I know mine is called just camera, and just hit OK. A properties box will pop up again. You can hit OK, and you should see yourself on screen like myself, and you can actually move your face wherever you want. So if you wanted to move it over here, you can make it smaller, make it bigger. So yeah, so that's how I record myself. I know some people were asking, how do I record myself in my videos? OBS is great. I love it. It's very easy to use. It's free. You know, I can minimize this. I'm still on the screen talking to you guys. So yeah, that was just a simple way on how to record your Windows 10 desktop screen, as well as with a camera. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.